Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, we are going to show you Ari work bridal pattu blouse sleeve collection. So please watch the video till end. Friends, bridal pattu sleeve designs are very important as far as blouse are considered. If we are looking at a bridal silk blouse, then surely sleeves are something we look at. Considering the number of options we have around us. Friends, a classic pattu sleeve design is a defined must have for every saree lover and is a wonderful option for any ladies to achieve a slimmer look. A timeless blouse sleeve is very versatile. Friends, bridal blouse sleeve have never been out of style, but it is common that the neck and body get a major share of the attention. However, sleeves can hardly be overlooked given how much they contribute to the beauty of the saree as well. Friends, pattu fabric with ari work blouse design never go out of fashion. These kind of blouse sleeve design that suit silk sarees. You can combine this kind of sleeve blouse with plain silk saree also. When the saree with a heavy border go well with this kind of blouse pattern. This kind of blouse especially designed for silk saree. The definition of elegant start with silk sarees. This kind of ari work pattu sleeve blouse are best suited for wedding and party wear. Friends, I hope that the latest blouse sleeve design of this video helped you to decide which blouse sleeve pattern suit your saree. Selecting only the blouse sleeve design is not sufficient alone. There are a lot of things that go into making a blouse. This kind of ari work pattu sleeve blouse perfect for women who prefer understated elegance. These design can be paired with any kind of silk sarees. This kind of pattu blouse sleeve design with delicate threadwork or pearl are perfect for brides who love understated elegance. These work well with silk saree or heavy embroidery stonework sarees. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you love this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.